From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the euro dollar. You can see it looks like we're forming a little bit of a double top, and not a big indicator trader, as you guys know, but when I look at this, I start to look for other indicators just to see what they say, and like the MACD is getting ready to cross over. So that's kind of interesting how that's playing out. Either way, to me, I think it's obvious that 110 is continuing to be important. So that's probably really what you need to be focusing on. Question is where can we go? Well, let's just pretend for a moment that we're going to be nothing but range bound. Well, you can see that we actually have a range to about 106, and you could even make an argument for a little lower than that. So I'm going to go ahead and put 105. It's somewhere in that area. It's not a clean area, and that might very well be where we're heading. Take a look at the weekly chart. You can see several weeks positive. Maybe we have to pull back. Either way, earnings season starting. A lot of noise coming out of the equities markets as well. A lot of risk off could be showing up, which of course is good for the dollar.